Okay, hello everyone, my name is RickyG, and welcome back to another Five Nights at Freddy's tutorial in GameMaker. Now, I haven't done this in a while, but I thought since I just reached 200 subscribers, I might as well make another one. You see, I was actually making one right now, but I realized with my new broadcasting software, it was only capturing this, and it wasn't capturing any other of the windows where I would edit the sprites. So I'm really hoping it's doing that at this current moment in time. Yes, that is like my that looks really cool. Wow, that's an interesting thing. Okay, so basically what I've been doing is I've showed you, well, I was showing you, but then I realized that I messed up entirely. I made the office move. So I already showed you in the last video how to make it actually move, but I didn't tell you how to make it stop. So when mouse leave, we want so that the office stops moving by clicking this and then making it the speed 0, and then we do the exact same thing for this one. I also moved this button to the side here, and I don't know if I mentioned this in the last video, but I also put these little office stops so that the office cannot go flying past and then just leave us. And that's also on this side as well. Yep, see? No, that's not what I want to move. Can you put that there? Thank you. Yeah, okay. So I think you understand the point. See, it's right there so that the office cannot go past that point and go out the screen. And then I told you how to make the camera. When I change this to left press, this will create OCamera, and this will also create an object called OCamHUD, which is going to have a depth of -3, and then this is going to turn into OQuickCamera. And OQuickCamera is going to, upon being clicked on, it's going to destroy the camera and the CamHUD, and this will turn back into OActivateCamera. So that's how that works. But then I also was trying to show you how the how to switch the cameras. So I'm going to do that again. There we go. So here's our lovely map. And then we're going to be placing these buttons. We created these objects which just have the sprite of S nothing and their depth is -3. They what they do is when you click on them, it changes the sprite to SCAM1 for OCamera, and OCam2 changes the sprite to SCAM2 for camera, and Cam3, you know, changes the sprite to SCAM3 and so on. So I already placed those down, but just for to show you how I do it, I'm gonna place down OCam1 again. So we switch the snap X and snap Y, which is up here, to 1 so that we can place this easier. And then now we need to drag that sprite over Cam1, and then we do the same things with OCam2. We're going to place that over Cam2, and then we're going to place this one over Cam3, and so on. So now, since I already done that, I'm gonna just exit without saving that because I've already done it. Well, that saved anyway. So yeah, that stuff should be there. So now, wait, no, did I just what did I do? Oh, I done goofed. I darn goofed. I think I have to put that back there. Place the cameras again. See, game making requires lots of patience. While I'm doing this, I really want to thank you all for 200 subscribers. It means a lot to me that I've gotten so far. I've never dreamed of even 100, let alone 200. So, thank you all so much. Okay, so now that works, we need to delete the camera. So now, if we were to test that out, just wait for all this stuff. Wait for this to load. Here it is, made with GameMaker Studio. Here's our game. Here's the newspaper. I'm pretty sure I showed you how to make that. So there we go, 12 AM first night. Okay, so here's our office, and it works perfectly, it moves, and if we click this, here we go, our camera. And we can switch the cameras. If somewhere at any point in this video something confuses you, please let me know in the comments. I will attempt to help you out in some way. So yeah, that works. Okay, so since that works, we're going to be working on this. This is OCam1 Freddy. Upon being left pressed, is going to do this. Sprite index equals choose, and then we place down SCAM1 a bunch of times, and then we put SCAM1 Toy Freddy there. And what that basically means is that whenever we click on this object, it has a chance of showing Toy Freddy in the camera. And make sure this applies to OCamera, obviously. And now we're going to do that for Cam2 as well. So OCam2 Freddy. And we're just going to type that in again. Also, I want to mention, I'm very sorry for all of those who were waiting so long for this tutorial, and they were just waiting every single day so that they could make their own game. Terribly sorry for making you wait this long, but I just never had the time to make this video. So yeah, now basically that's what it says, SCAM2, Toy Freddy, and then the other ones are... Oh dear, what happened there? What the heck was that? I don't understand what happened there. There we go. Alright then. And then now we need to do that for OCam3 as well. So OCam3 Freddy. Need to input some code. Make sure this applies to OCamera. I think I actually forgot to do that for this one. So yeah, make sure it applies to OCamera. Right, so back here, sprite index equals choose SCAM3, and then there we go. There we go. That works perfectly. So now, how to get that to work? We go to OTime, and then here we're going to make this so that Freddy starts moving at 2 AM. So at 2 AM, we're going to make it so that OCam1 turns into OCam1 Freddy. Okay, and then we're going to make it so that OCam2 turns into OCam2 Freddy. Make sure it does perform events, otherwise this won't work. So there we go. And then we need to do, no, not Cam3. We need to make it so OCam3 turns into OCam3 Freddy. There we go. And yeah, so when it turns to 2 AM, Freddy will be able to start moving. So I'm going to save our progress there. So now, yeah, we got our animatronic to move and all that, but how are we going to get him to come into the office and do what we need him to do? Well, first of all, let's make sure we have that. And then what else do we need? There's 6 AM. I don't remember if I showed you this, but I made a 6 AM sprite so that this will show when you make it to 6 AM. Don't remember if I showed you that or not. Yeah. So now we're going to, what was I going to do again? Whatever. Oh yeah, we were going to make Toy Freddy go to the office, weren't we? well, we'll probably want to, oh, we already got the jump scare. I don't know, I haven't done this in such a long time, so please excuse me if I forget anything, because I haven't made a tutorial in such a long time. So now, we're going to make an object called Toy Freddy at Office. Make this so that this is, S nothing. Let's just go for a def of -7, why not? So now, step for camera. We're going to make it so, if sprite index equals scam3 Toy Freddy, which means if he's in the hallway right next to our door, instance create 00 Toy Freddy at Office. There we go. So now it will create that. And then for this step, this is going to turn the sprite of the office into S-Office Toy Freddy. Now remember, you can do this with any animatronic. It doesn't have to be specifically Toy Freddy or anything. Ooh, my battery is running low. I will be right back in a second. Okay guys, I'm back. So now, oh wait, what? Did I wait, hold on. Did I accidentally quit out of this or something? Hold on, I just got completely lost here. I don't know. So step here, we want it so that it turns the sprite of the office to S-Office Toy Freddy. Turn that into, there we go, and that applies for office. I could have swore there was something else here. I don't know what I did. I accidentally quit out of something, I think. I completely forgot. I don't know. So now create. We're gonna make set variable. What should we call this? How about spoopy? I'm gonna call that spoopy. And also step. We're gonna put this to the value +1 relative. And now we're going to do end step. So if spoopy is equal to 200, no, greater than or equal to 200, go put that away. Well, we don't have anywhere for it to go to yet. Okay, so perfect. Now we need to create Toy Freddy Spooky. And then we go here, get his spook. So now we need a new sound. We're just gonna call it spoop, right? And we're going to get the sound. Yeah, let's get it from here. Why not? We need the FNaF scream sound. You're gonna need to find that on your own. So when we create the jump scare object, it needs to play sound spoop. We don't want that to loop. And when animation ends, we want to stop playing the sound spoop. And then, rather than making a game over screen, we're just going to send it back to the main menu. For now, at least. So now we're going to make a room. Make it 900 by 500. We're going to call this Spoop Room. And then this is where Toy Freddy's jump scare will be, if we can fit him in here. Might want to stretch that slightly. There we go. That works. Okay, so now we're gonna make it so that it goes to room, spoop room, and that should work. I'm not gonna add many sounds because I don't think you'll need me to tell you how to add sounds. If you don't even know how to add sounds, you shouldn't even be making a Five Nights at Freddy's game. You should be learning how to use Game Maker first. So now, what we're going to do is, well, that should be it. Freddy should be able to actually work now, I think, if we were to test it out. But while we're here, let's make the Oh, 6 a.m. object as well. Let's see where to put it. Oh, 6 a.m. Yes. We're also gonna make a sound called celebrate. Let's see, where could I find the sounds? Also, yes, remember you're gonna have to find the sounds on your own. I just happen to have them on me already. Okay, so we're gonna get that sound. So create, celebrate, false. Key press enter. Go to roommate menu. There, so now that should be it. Beat night 1. Make that 900 by 500. Put 6 a.m. there. There we go. So yeah, that should work if at the end of O time. That works, yep. Perfect. Okay, so now I think the game actually should function now. It should work. So, I don't know, should we give it a go? I don't know, to make it easier on ourselves for now, I would say key press, let's say digit 2. It would turn time to 2000 so that we don't have to wait for it to do that. But when you publish your game, you're going to have to get rid of that, so that no one can just simply press a button and then it'll skip the night or skip to like 2 a.m. because that would make it easy. I'll leave it in my game just because. Okay, so now new game. Old location found. Toy Freddy has been found in an old location, so we decided to make a new pizzeria that looks like the old one but a different layout. Please enlist, thank you. Okay, and that was lovely. So now we should. Oh dear, why are you already here? Why are you already here? I don't have anything to protect myself with yet. Why are you here? Why is Toy Freddy here? I don't understand. What? How did he get here? How did Toy Freddy even get here? I don't understand. How did he get there? That makes no sense. Sprinting skin. I don't know. How did Freddy get there? I don't know. Let's do a step thing. If time for the object O time is less than or equal to 2000, which would be 2 a.m., delete that. Okay. So now hopefully Freddy should not be there anymore. I don't even know why he's there. How did he get there? I don't understand. Oh, whatever. That's okay. Alright. If Toy Freddy's there. Oh, wow. I don't know how you got there, dude, but okay. I know, is he gonna jump scare us? I don't know. Doesn't appear like he's going to do anything. So now let's press 2 so that it's now 2 a.m. See if we can find Toy Freddy on any of the cameras. Oh, there he is. Okay, we found him. Is he there as well? Yep, there he is. Okay. Okay, we found him, but for some reason he's in there. Does that have to do with like a sprite or something? No? Yeah, I don't understand. I don't know, really. Something's obviously wrong here. if sprite index equals scam3 toy Freddy instance. That should be working. I don't understand what's happening. Give me a moment to sort that out. I'll be back in a second. Okay, I found the source of the problem. I was doing something really stupid. I was thinking that, oh, office at some point in time was, oh, toy Freddy at office. That is not how it should go. Please delete that. There we go. Now the game should work properly. But since we're here, we might as well add our way of protection, which is the mask. So okay, we're gonna make an object called mask startup. There we go. Make that s nothing, you know, just because. Make that a def of -5, and then we're gonna make mask. Which, when we recreate it, we'll create a variable called mask, and step will make the value of that go up, and then end step, so that when mask is like I don't know, let's say greater than or equal to 70, it will destroy Toy Freddy at office. There we go. And then key release control turn into mask startup, and then when key press control, this will turn into the mask. There we go. Now we need to put that in the room. Obviously, turn that back to 16. There. No, not there. Hold on. Put that there. Good. Game will work now. We have a method of protecting ourselves. The game can end. We can die. We can live. I think that's it. I think we finished our Five Nights at Freddy's games, even though there was there were a few distractions along the way. Okay. There's also another thing I'll probably show you before we end this. So when we press control, should have put on our mask, but it did not put on our mask for some reason. It's probably because the def isn't high. Oh yes, and we should probably make it so that camera step, it'll turn the mask into mask startup, so that we can't wear the mask while we're looking at the cameras. There. Okay. So now it should work. Now everything should be all hunky-dory and things, and it should work perfectly. So now our mask works. We need to press mask again? Really? Hold on, I never said that. I said I said press control. I meant key release control, so that we hold down control to use the mask. Okay, so made with Game Maker Studio, blah blah blah, we understand. Okay. Okay, that works. So now here's our mask, which we wear when Toy Freddy is in our office. Here we are in the cameras, which work. Let's press 2 so that we're finally at 2 AM. See if we can get Toy Freddy somewhere. Toy Freddy, would you like to come join us? Okay, there you are. Oh, you're here. Are you here? Okay, let's see if we can get rid of you. No, we did not get rid of you in time. That sucks. Can we get rid of you at all? Why can we not get rid of you? Oh yes, I think we can get rid of him. Hold on a second. I forgot to make it so that when this is deleted, it turns the office back into the normal office sprite. That will probably help. And then you know what else will help? Probably some footstep sounds, so that we can tell that he's gone. Let's see if I got any. Walk one, that'll work. Okay, so when that is destroyed, it plays sound footsteps. This is like an entirely new broadcasting software. I'm using open broadcast software so that I can record like better quality video. So I can't tell if you can hear any of the sounds from this game, but I'm pretty sure you can hear my voice, so it's okay. At least you have my beautiful soothing voice. Okay, so that should work. That works. Go to 2 AM. Okay. There's Toy Freddy. Can you come here, please? Toy Freddy does not appear to be wanting to come by today. Okay, there he is. Now we can put on this mask. Okay, he's gone. Yeah, we can live. Perfect. Can we die? I'm pretty sure. Okay, he's here. Let's see if we can die. Let's just wait a moment. See if we can die. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so yeah, that's perfect. There's one last thing I want to cover. I have no idea how long I've been recording this. Let's see this broadcasting software. I don't think it. Okay, it's been telling me how long I've been recording. Okay, we've been recording for quite a while now, but not too long. Not bad. Also, can I say how cool that looks? That looks amazing. Whee! Okay, enough of that. Let's go back to what I want to do next. We're gonna save this also. I'm gonna create a new group. I'm gonna call this Unlock. Okay, we're gonna create an object called Y. You won't have to. I'll tell you what I'm doing in a minute and how you can customize this. I'm gonna put O L and OO2. Okay, so basically what this is, when we type in Y, it's gonna turn into OO, which will, when we press O, it'll turn into L, and then it'll turn into this. And when we press O again, and that will spell out YOLO, it'll unlock the 6th night. You can obviously change this so that when you press it, like, you have to type in ready for Freddy or something like that, which will require more objects, obviously, but oh well. Okay, so key press Y, turn into O, there we go. And when we press O there, turn into L. Perform events, please. Okay, and key press L. No, I don't want to do that. I want to do turn into O. Yes. Okay, and then when we press, actually no, we're gonna wait a moment because we need to make the 6th night thing. Okay, just get rid of that, but leave that tiny bit there so that we know where to put the text. You might not have this font, but I have this font because Devin Manning lets me use it. We're gonna call this 6th night. No, I think that was like that, wasn't it? Yep. Perfect. So now we got 6th night there. We're gonna create an object code O6 start. It's gonna be S nothing -3, and then we're gonna create O6 night button, which we'll put down here. For the sake of this, it's just gonna take us to night 1, the room start night 1. But if you're gonna make this go to 6 night, you would make it go to the room that says start night 6, for example, or whatever it is. Also, I'm just gonna show you quickly to make another night. You would just, oh, I'm not gonna actually duplicate the rooms, but basically, you duplicate these 3 rooms: start night 1, the actual night 1, and beat night 1. You would duplicate those, but change it to like start night 2, and then put the start night 2 object in there, and then create like the night 2 room, and then beat night 2, which would be the exact same thing, and then just keep duplicating those rooms for each night. That's how you would make other nights. So now, there's 06 start. When we press letter O, it's gonna turn to 06 night, and this applies to 06 start, and then it's just gonna delete itself, and then that's it. And then we're gonna see where the best place to put the 6 night button would be. But yeah, we forgot to do that. So now we're gonna delete that and then place that there, and also change that so that it says 6 night, obviously. And then we're gonna place the Y object there as well. So now if we were to test that out, just wait for it to load. There's not much to load, so it won't take too long. Okay. I don't know if you can hear that, but the fan inside my laptop is pretty loud, so I apologize for that if you can hear it. Okay, so made with GameMaker Studio. If we were to type in YOLO, the 6th night would appear. And when we press it, it would go to the 1st night and all that. Though we might want to make it so that when we press that, like when we press it, it'll stop the sound menu. We also might want to make it so that when 6 AM is created, it stops playing the sound, let's say footstep or something, or any of the other sounds that you don't want playing when you beat the night. And yeah, that I think that's actually it. So let's play and enjoy our product, which we can now win and die at. So that's good. Okay, let's type in YOLO. It's the quick way to access the 1st night without having to look at that beautiful newspaper. So yeah, let's just skip to 2 AM just to make our lives easier. Okay, here's Toy Freddy. Just do that. He went away. That's perfect. And then we can also die, which is great. You can add the game over screen if you really want to, but just for the sake of time constraints and just being lazy in general, I'm not going to make a game over screen. So yeah, that's actually that's it. That's how to make a GameMaker a Five Nights at Freddy's game in GameMaker. Well, a simple way to make it anyway. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and that you learned how to make something today that was fun to make and fun to do. Leave a like if this helped you out a lot, and thank you so much for 200 subscribers. It means a lot to me. Alright guys, bye!